Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to shoot a quick video for a BMW guys. If you have a 3 Series BMW from 2006 to 2013 guys, and you're trying to find the water pump on that thing, this one will be one very helpful video guys, and we'll show you where the water pump is located, because it's not a usual engine. Let me guys introduce you quick to our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please subscribe guys, we're trying to grow that thing. Just live unedited videos fixing engine codes, electrical components, things like that. So right here we have E90 2006 325, and if you have a 328 it will be probably the same. I believe the 335s are that way too. So usually, you know, on engines like the old BMW, the E46 and the previous generation, the water pump was belt driven. It's on the serpentine belt. But on this one guys, I start here, you know, and I go around and I see AC compressor, tensioner, alternator, idle pulley. You have the power steering and crankshaft pulley, but there is no water pump pulley anywhere. And I was starting thinking, and I was like, there is no way it's on a timing chain, because that's a very complicated timing chain procedure, and water pump should be easier to service. So after that guys, I found it, and it's located right here. Now what's interesting about it is it's not belt driven, it's not mechanical driven, it's electric water pump. Electric, you can see those are the wires right here. And this on the left side, okay, this is the thermostat, okay, right here, that's thermostat there. And the pump, it has 2 bolts on top, it has 1 bolt on the bottom, so it has 3 bolts altogether, and the thermostat attaches to the water pump with 2 bolts. So we'll have a video how to replace it. It's coming soon on the channel. I just ordered some, the whole kit, thermostat, water pump, that's how you should do it. This one has 120,000 miles, so I wanted to do it because I believe this one is the original one, and you know, the cooling system sometimes it's a weak spot on BMW. So just a quick video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.